So welcome back everybody. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to be looking at the Appalachian Drifter 2. Let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. We're going to open it up with Spyderco Drunken. Nice pouch, nice cloth. Those are very nice. Knives from Civivi come with those. So this is the Civivi Appalachian Drifter 2. This is a front flipper knife. It's going to have micarta scales and a carbon fiber bolster on the top. So it's kind of a hybrid scale. Got a pretty cool look there. Now, this is a front flipper knife, so the flipper tab is on the front, hence the name. And so it requires a little bit different method getting that opened up. I do like the blade shape, and it's got that, that groove right there, like a little fuller almost. It goes all the way out to the end. So that's a pretty unique look. I like that buoy kind of look on a blade there down to the tip. I do like that, you know, that clip blade with that swedge on it there. So it kind of has more of a gentleman's pocket knife kind of feel. It's not heavy, it's not bulky, but it is substantial. So it feels like you've got good quality there. It is kind of fun to open. A different style, of course, to get that thing open, but it is pretty fun. And I like the look. So it's a sharp looking knife. Let's check the centering on it. Okay, the centering looks good. Can you see that? There you go. It's going to be tip-up carry, and it looks like it's going to be, the clip is not universal, so it is how it is. But even though it doesn't have any jimping on it, it has a decent feel to it. There's no protection. You know, I wouldn't want to stab anything with it. There's nothing that would keep my hand from sliding up on the blade. There's still plenty enough of that blade sticking out that you're still able to open it without the flipper. Even with, you don't have to pinch it, even just by grabbing the blade. It's going to have steel liner locks, so the blade steel on this is going to be Nitro V. And honestly, I haven't had any Nitro V before, so I'm not sure how that's going to go, so we'll see. It is a tip-up carry. It's going to be tip-up right carry only. It's not universal. And one thing I like about that is the blade is hollow ground. I do like a hollow ground blade. It feels like you'd be able to get a good sharp edge on that. Let's see if we can do it left-handed. That was very awkward for a left-handed front flipper, but we'll get used to that, I'm sure. So all in all, this is a good looking knife. I do like it. We're going to carry this thing around for a couple weeks and put it in queue for a review at a later time. But until then, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you in the future. And if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. God bless.